All right, welcome to week 13, and we're going to include week 14 into this lesson. So as we go through our weekly lesson, we will see that I not only included the week of November 16th, but also our 2 days next week going into Thanksgiving break. So let's look here at what we are doing. As always, our Remote Learning Academy Google link is located right here. So if you are a student who will not be in class for hybrid this week, then this is the link you want to use and report to class on Wednesday during your particular class period. So looking here for Monday through Wednesday, in class we are going to work on the Declaration of the Rights of Man and a Citizen. This is a document that came out of the National Assembly, and it pretty much destroys all parts of the old regime. So the breakdown of the 3 estates, removing all the privileges of the nobles. We're going to go through this particular document. At home, there is a practice quiz for last week's lesson over 9-1. Please keep in mind that this will time out at the end of school on Tuesday, so you want to take care of this. You're also going to start the next set of terms and questions. So if you're using your hard copy of your textbook, you'll open up to pages 158 to 162. And if you're using the online, you want to choose Chapter 9, Lesson 2. The terms and questions are located in the materials needed section, and this assignment is due at the start of your class period on Thursday. And please keep in mind that due date is for students who are physically with me on Thursday and for students who are at home on Thursday. The due date is the same at the start of your class period. Thursday and Friday of this week, we will be wrapping up the French Revolution. So again, on Thursday is the time that I'm going to check 9-2 terms and questions, and that includes the students at home need to have it sent in. We'll be going over the answers, and you'll be watching the 9-2 video lecture notes and filling out the timeline sheet that goes along with the 9-2 notes. Students who are an RLA, this is something that you'll need to take care of at home, and the video lecture and the timeline sheet is located on this page. Students at home, please remember 9-2 terms and questions due at the start of your class period on Thursday. I have included in this unit an extra credit crossword puzzle. Extra credit is always optional, so it's your choice. But when we get to the due date stands firm because this is an optional item for you. You can also start working on the French Revolution online test. Now this test will be due on December 1st by the end of the school day on that Tuesday at 2:45. So next week, when we have our 2 days going into Thanksgiving break, what will we be working on in class? You will be able to work on the extra credit crossword puzzle and your online test. So those are just the things that we'll be doing on those last 2 days going into Thanksgiving break. So if you are someone who will be leaving early for Thanksgiving break, where you won't be here on the 23rd or 24th, then these items are already provided for you and you can take care of them. Please remember the online French Revolution test will time out at 1st, December 1st at 2:45 p.m. Here's the section for everything that you will need. The Declaration of the Rights of Man and Citizen I will provide in class, a hard copy, and for the students online, I will email it to you at the start of your class period. The practice quiz for 9-1 is already open and available in our folder for this week. Your textbook, you're either using your online edition or your hard copy, so you already have access to that. Here's our 9-2 terms and questions. All of our terms, and here are the 7 questions. If you need to use their Quizlet to define the terms and the people. Here's the access to our Quizlet right there. Video lecture notes, right here is the link to that, and then the timeline sheet that you'll need to fill out as you watch the video lecture is a PDF below. If you're going to choose to do the extra credit crossword puzzle, PDF is located below, and the French Revolution online test is also open, and it's located in our week 13 and week 14 folder. Here's a reminder of all of your due dates. Declaration of the Rights of Man and the Citizen will be completed in class Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Your 9-2 terms and questions are due at the start of class this Thursday on the 19th. If you're choosing to do the extra credit crossword puzzle, please note that it is due on Monday, November 30th. So the Monday we return from Thanksgiving break, it is due at the start of your class period. So I will collect them or students can upload them. Either way, they are due on Monday at the start of your class period. And the online French Revolution test, it will remain open until 2:45 on December 1st, and this will time out. Again, here are your PDFs. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask them, whether you email it to me or talk to me in class. All right. Hope to see you on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and the rest of the week, and let's have a good one.